Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel everybody. Today in this quick tutorial, I will be walking you through how to remove your Instagram account from another device. Whether you've logged in on a friend's phone or public computer or just want to ensure that your account is secure, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Open the Instagram app on your phone and then make sure that your account has already been logged in. So once you're on the dashboard, tap on the profile-like icon present on the bottom right of your screen. Then select the icon represented by three horizontal lines on the top right of your screen. So once you're directed to the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Account Center, which is located below the search bar. Once done that, go and tap on Password and Security. Here, under the Security Checks section, tap on Where You're Logged In option. This will help you see a list of all the devices that are currently logged into your Instagram account. Review the list and identify any device that you don't recognize or no longer use. Now tap on the device name where you would want to remove your account from. Then select Log Out. Now, once you tap on Log Out again, Instagram will log out your account from the device immediately. And that's it. This is how you log out Instagram account from other devices. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching.